NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with NANATHESAUCYCHEF.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Today I'm going to be making creamy chicken noodle soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 8 cups of chicken broth. I have 4 cups here. I'm going to add the other 4 cups as needed. 1 cup of heavy cream. 3 cups of uncooked wide egg noodles. 2 celery stalks chopped. 2 carrots chopped. 1/2 of a medium onion diced. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 3 chicken breasts. 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 2 bay leaves. 2 teaspoons of dried parsley flakes. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves. To a large pot over medium heat, I'm going to add in my butter. We're going to let that melt. Next, I'm going to add in my olive oil. Now you want to add in your onion, carrots, and your celery. And we're going to let that saute for 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. And we're going to let that saute for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you want to add in your all-purpose flour. And we're going to mix that up, and we're going to let that cook for 1 minute. Okay guys, the flour is going to thicken up our soup. So we're going to go ahead and add in our 4 cups of chicken broth. Now you want to take a whisk and just whisk it all together. We want our flour to go ahead and break down in the chicken broth. Okay guys, now we're going to add our other 4 cups of chicken broth. Go ahead and give that a mix. We're going to add in our dried thyme and our black pepper. Go ahead and give that a mix. Now we're going to add our chicken breast. We're going to place them right into our broth. Now I added my 2 bay leaves, and we're going to let that come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to lower your heat to low. We're going to place our lid over top, and we're going to let it simmer for 30 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and remove our chicken breast. I'm going to place them on the plate on the side. Now we're going to turn up our heat some, and we're going to add in our egg noodles. I'm going to go ahead and give them a mix. going to bring it back up to a boil, and we're going to allow it to cook for 10 minutes until our egg noodles are soft. Now you want to take 2 forks and begin to shred your chicken breast. Okay guys, I'm going to give my soup a mix again. Now you want to add in your shredded chicken breast. We're going to allow that to continue to cook. Okay guys, once your egg noodles are done cooking, you want to go ahead and remove the bay leaves. Now I'm going to add in my dried parsley flakes and also my heavy cream. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined, and we're going to just let it cook for about another 1 to 2 minutes until the heavy cream is heated up all the way through. Okay guys, after 2 minutes you can go ahead and turn your heat off. Your soup is now done. Look how delicious that looks. It's nice and creamy. Okay guys, so here we have it, our delicious creamy chicken noodle soup. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.